Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advice desk. Firstly, to take you to the market, it opened on a very slightly on a down note today, in a very sluggish market because of the weak and the lackluster trading happening in the Asian indices that led to kind of a flattish opening in the Indian markets too. Now, especially talking to the several analysts as well as investors, they are waiting for some fresh bout of news coming in that will actually kind of move the markets either up or down depending on what kind of news we have. The Sensex was down about 35 points and Nifty was down about 13 points when it started in the early initial morning trade. The pharma shares were firm with Cipla as well as Sun Pharma bore up anywhere between 1 to 2%. Metals shares which were on the gainers list, they are losing their shine today after reportedly there have been a kind of profit booking seen in those kind of stocks. Like Sesagova, Sterlite, Hindalco, so Tata Steel. So those are the stocks which are facing a kind of a bout of selling coming in today. Among the laggards are also the telecom after the DOT have issued a kind of a note that one-time spectrum fee would be initiated, would be applicable from the starting of the next month on all the telecom companies. So that's why the Bharti is down almost 1.5% today because of that bad news. Also on the mid-cap space, Adani Group, the stocks which of the Adani Group they are listed, they were kind of on the profit booking side down between anywhere between 1 to 3% after they had run up in anticipation of the BJP that was kind of going to win by the majority in Gujarat again for the third term. Now the results are almost out as I'm talking to you, and BJP has almost once again for the third time Modi has won in Gujarat by a wide margin against the Congress. So that's good news for the Adani Group as a whole. Now coming back to the Karnataka Bank, which was in the news in the last couple of sessions, again took a beating and down 3% on the report that the SEBI is going to initiate an investigation about the price movement that has happened in the previous couple of days, which have seen very volatile movement. So that stock is again in the news. DLF is the stock which is again back in the limelight after they have decided to sell their Aman Resorts property back to the original owner. So for 1600 crores. Now this is they are doing this exercise to repay their debts. So the stock is also kind of very flattish and is around 1% up. So that's that stock we are seeing kind of some positive long build up on that stock. Coming back to the capital goods firm like L&T and BHEL, they have slipped almost 1.5% from their highs. So I mean we have seen kind of profit booking in there too. And on the forex part again 54.4, 54.5 is where the dollar is against the rupee. So friends, this is all the update we have till mid market. We'll get back to you more in post market. Thank you.